Alright, this is Mallory.
Hey!
Right.
What?
That's Mallory.
Driving on the road. I'm Kelsey. Hello.
And we seem to be lost.
We're on a wild adventure.
We're on a wild adventure. I don't know where we are going, but we will find our way.
And we're having a good time.
We are. We are playing music. Oh wait, no we're not.
Well, we are.
What the hell was that? Sounds good music.
Yeah, the iPod on me with CD. We're good to go.
Hey! Hey! Dance. Come on, dance. I did. Come on, now your turn. This one. Now how do I stop it?